First Tuesday Internet TV show, and I'm your host, Tracy Pattin. First Tuesday is a national organization dedicated to social service, social connectivity, and professional networking. So, how many of you right now are thinking about money? I mean, how many of you are worried about money? Yeah, pretty much all of us. Well, today I have a money expert, a financial expert, Stephanie Radkay. So, welcome.
Thanks, Tracy.
So, you know about money? Tell us about money.
What do you want to know?
What do you do? So, what exactly do? You educate people, right, about investing?
Yes, we educate people specifically how to invest in the foreign currency markets, commodities, and futures.
Okay, now see, those are big terms.
Yeah.
Tell me what you mean by, let's say, the foreign currency. I mean, we know that's the euro and
the yen, the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc, the Canadian dollar. Basically, all we do is we have a strategy, and you can apply the strategy to any of these markets, and we tell you when it's a ripe time to buy and a ripe time to sell. And we don't invest anybody's money. We empower you to take your money, and you make the decisions. You push the buy and sell buttons based on a strategy that we've developed over the last, since 1989.
And what other kind of, I know there's been a lot of talk about gold. So talk just a moment about that. Is that, for instance, a good investment?
Well, gold is actually something that we do teach people how to trade. Gold is making new highs pretty much almost every day. It's very expensive now. But based on our strategy, if the gold comes off price a little bit, if it pulls back a little bit, it may be an opportunity to buy.
Okay, so that's an example of a commodity, right?
Absolutely, and gold right now probably isn't quite right the time to sell, but it all depends. We empower people to invest daily. It's not a buy something and hold it for a very long time like you would a stock. It's more like buy today and maybe a half an hour from now sell it.
Okay, and so what is the reason for being, up to speed on our finances and investing? What would you say?
Well, I think what's really important is, if you have all of your money right now in a safe haven, well, how are you going, you may not be able to, because interest rates are so low right now, how are you going to make a lot of money? How are you going to get a big bang for your buck? Well, people diversify and they put money in riskier investments. And who would better take care of your money than yourself? If you're going to risk your money, who would you rather trust your money with? Yourself. Especially if you are working with a strategy that has been proven successful.
So it sounds like it's really important and empowering and confidence building to be really on top of our finances.
Absolutely. When you push the button for the buy or the sell and you do that on your own, it feels really awesome.
And when you make a whole lot of money, that feels
a beautiful
even better.
thing.
And I know you were saying earlier off camera that your client base is mostly men, which, women, we got to get in the game, right?
Absolutely. It's not time for your dad or your brother or your husband to be doing this. You should be learning this on your own. This is a global economy and it's time to get involved.
Well, Stephanie, thank you so much. This has been an education. And where can they find you?
Our website is www.rdstrader.com.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
you for joining us. And remember to go to firsttuesdayusa.com to see our shows. If you click on the blog, you'll be able to view this show and all of the others. And we shall see you next time. I'm Tracy Pattin.